Hi, Ada here. In last two tutorial, we learned how to edit photos for Instagram by using the Lightroom mobile app. Lightroom mobile app make your life so much easy. So feel free to double check those two tutorials. Let's back to Photoshop. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to do this cool 3D mobile illusion or 3D pop-out by using Photoshop. You can use your creativity and create awesome 3D art. This is the final output. For this 3D effect, first you have to find a base photo, or you can take a photo of your mobile. Then think about the theme. I was daydreaming about summer, so I choose summer theme. For that, I find some beach photo. I really like starfish, so I found a starfish, and a coconut for sure is a part of summer. Just use your imagination. Try and edit different photo to create an awesome art. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's close this one and create new document. Go to File, New Document. 10 by 80 is good. Hit OK. Now we have to place our base photo. Go to File, Place, and find base photo. This photo is perfect. Place it. So let's resize it like that. And I think it's good to go. Oh, it's too much. Let's zoom out like that. Think is good. Okay, it's perfect. It's okay. Now let's cut out the screen. Let's make a selection of the screen. Normally when you want to select the screen, it's better to select with polygonal lasso tool here, like that, polygonal lasso tool. But I don't want to cut out her finger, so quick selection tool is best option here. Go and select quick selection tool, go here. So let's select the here like that. It's perfect. For a smoother edge, go to refine edge. A bit smoother edge, feather, contrast, and a bit shift. I think it's perfect. Hit OK. Then go down here to the layer mask. If you just click on the layer mask, something like this happen. It's not what we want. So press Ctrl Z. Now hold Alt key and click on layer mask like that. Perfect. If you want to know more about the layer mask, just click on top video link or go to description and click on video. Now let's add our image for 3D effect. Go to File, go Place. I like to add a starfish. A starfish gives a summary touch to this photo. So add that. A bit bigger, so resize it. Perfect. So let's cut out the starfish. Go to Quick Selection tool and start to select. I think a bigger size. This one is okay. Perfect. Add here. You can subtract from the selection as you select from an area you want to remove from selection. So go to subtract, click on that tool and start to subtract from selection. That's good. Some area like that. Perfect. Resize this one. Click on selection, add to a bit here. To have a better selection, go to refine edge again, smoother edge, a bit feather soften edge, play with the contrast, and shift edge. We are good to go. Hit OK. Now just go to layer mask and click on layer mask. Perfect. We can move the starfish here. Good. As you see, I cut out some area, but I don't want that. So go to brush tool, select the foreground black, and just brush here to remove those selection. Perfect. Can move it here. I think it's good. For the image inside the screen, go to File, Place, and find that image and and place it. It's too big, let's resize it. So place it here and bring it down to under phone image. Perfect. Can move it like that. Good. To add more summary touch, let's add some coconut to our photo. Go to the file, place. I have PNG file here. Just place it there. Let's resize it. It's okay. And move it to the top. Move it here. It's still too big. Resize it again. Like that. Perfect. Let's move this main photo to the down a bit. I think it's good to go. Resize the coconut again. Like that. We are good to go for now. I want to move this one a bit down. Daydreaming for the summer doesn't have any meaning without a beach or sea. So let's add beach photo. Go to file, place, and I think this one is good. Place it. Add it here. So let's flip it. Go to edit, transform, flip horizontally, a bit rotate, hold shift and resize it like that. I think the place is perfect. We can move it later. Place. Okay. What I like to do is blend this image with the background image or base image. On the layer, you can go here on the top, set the blend image mode for the layer. You can go here. Blending image is a great way for blending any two images together. By default, a layer blend mode is set to normal. Normal just means that the layer is not blending at all with the layer below. You can click on the normal to open menu. Go click here to open the menu. You have a lot of different blend modes to choose from. Blend mode unlock a world of creative possibility, and they are extremely useful when it comes to editing photos. I mostly work with the 5 or 6 option here. These are most options I use. So for this photo, I think Darken is the best. I mainly use a Darken, sometimes a screen, overlay, and mostly Luminosity based off my photo. Let's play with that. The Darken is nice. A screen is not for this photo, or overlay like that. Also luminosity is very important one. Okay, none of them is work, but the darken is best part for this photo editing. Let's erase some area here to have a better blending. So go to eraser tool, select that, hit OK. Start to erase some area around here. I think it's perfect. Maybe a bit here. Good. I like the blending with the sea and book here. It's very cool. Okay, let's back to our coconut photo. The coconut photo is PNG file. There is so many great sites you can find free PNG image and download from them. Some of them need subscription, some of them you can download for free. They are a very great way to add in photo editing. I want to add some style to our coconut photo. So go to add a style and drop shadow. I like something like that to get more 3D idea, something like that. Perfect. Hit OK. Let's add some style to our starfish also. Go to add a style, drop shadow, and add some bubble and buzz effect like that. It's cool. So hit OK. I like this one. That's it, you get the idea. Let's review together. So today we learn how to select and play with the layer mask. First we add black layer mask, after that we add white layer mask. If you want to know more about layer mask, please click on the link on the top. Also add the link on the description. And most important, today we learn about Photoshop blending mode option. At the end, together we create this cool 3D illusion mobile effect. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe.